The first one is undoubtedly the table sugar or the refined sugar. We should avoid everything that contains white or the table sugar, such as cakes, candies, sweetened beverages, sweets, etc. A high amount of sugar can spike the glucose level in the blood, which is extremely harmful to the body. Sugar also causes obesity and increases the risk of heart disease. So the next one is the refined flour or the white flour. It contains no nutritional values and is very unhealthy. While processing the wheat grain, all the nutrients like fiber, protein coming from the bran and germ of the grain are removed and polished to get a high caloric and only carbohydrate filled white grain, which is then made into white flour. This is very unhealthy and should be avoided. Certain starchy vegetables, especially the white potatoes, corn and squash, are high in carbohydrate and calories and can raise the blood glucose level in the body. If possible, then try to avoid these high in carbohydrate vegetables. Long-term consumption of these carbohydrate-filled vegetables can be harmful for the health. And finally, the processed food. Most of the processed food are filled with high amount of sugar and white flour, making them unhealthy. So make sure to learn about the ingredients behind the packet before you buy them to consume.